Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about software project management or SPM in software engineering. Okay, software project management SPM is the process of planning, monitoring, and controlling a software project to achieve its goals within time, cost, and quality constraints. It ensures that software development is organized, efficient, and successful. SPM is an essential part of software engineering as software projects are often complex and involve teams, resources, and deadlines. See, every software project involves teams, tasks, deadlines, and resources. Okay, without proper management, projects can fail or go over budget. Okay, that's where SPM comes in. It helps us plan, monitor, and control a project to make sure it's completed successfully. Okay, so what is software project management? Software project management is the process of organizing and controlling a software project from start to finish. Okay, the main goal is to deliver software on time within a budget and with the required quality. Like, think of it like managing a construction project, but instead of buildings, we are building software. Okay. Key objectives of SPM. First one is planning. Define the project scope, schedule, resources, and task. Then monitoring. Track progress, performance, and milestones. Then control. Manage changes, risk, and issues to keep the project on track. Quality management. Ensure the software meets the required standards. Cost management. Control the project budget and optimize resources. Risk management, identify potential risk and plan mitigation strategies. Okay, see, objectives of SPM. First one is planning. Define the project scope, task, and schedule. Second one is monitoring. Track progress and check if the project is on schedule. Third one is control. Manage changes, solve problems, and handle risk. Fourth one is quality management. Make sure the software meets the required standards. Okay. Then cost management. Keep the project within budget. Then risk management. Identify possible problems and prepare solutions. Okay. Now, functions of software project management. First one is project planning, creating a roadmap with tasks, schedules, and resources. Then, project scheduling, determining timelines for tasks and milestones. Then, resource allocation, assigning team members hardware and software tools efficiently. Then, budgeting, estimating cost and managing the project budget. Then risk management, identify risk and preparing backup plans. Then project tracking and reporting, monitoring progress and reporting status to stakeholders. Quality assurance, ensuring the final product meets the requirements and standards. Okay, so see, functions See, functions of software project management. First one is project planning, creating a roadmap with tasks and deadlines. Then project scheduling, deciding timelines for each task and milestone. Then resource allocation, assigning people tools and equipment efficiently. Okay. Then budgeting, estimating cost and controlling expenses. Then risk management, finding potential risk and preparing backup plans. Okay, then tracking and reporting, monitoring progress and informing stakeholders. Quality assurance, making sure the software works correctly and meets requirements. Okay, importance of SPM, reduces project failure. Proper planning and monitoring prevent delays and cost overruns. Improves efficiency, resources are used optimally and tasks are well organized. Ensure quality, helps deliver software that meets user requirements. Manage risk, anticipates potential problems and prepare solutions. Okay. Enhances communication, keeps stakeholders informed about progress and issues. Okay. See, importance of SPM. Why is SPM important? Because it reduces project failure by proper planning and monitoring. Okay. And it improves efficiency by using resources wisely, and it ensures quality by checking if the software meets requirements. Okay, it manages risk by preparing for problems in advance. It enhances communication by keeping everyone informed about progress and issues. Okay, simple. SPM activities, step by step. In initiation, define project goals, scope and feasibility. Planning, create schedules, assign resources and set budgets. Execution, develop software according to plan, manage teams and tasks. Monitoring and control, track progress, identify risk and make adjustment. Closure, deliver the software, document lessons learned and release resources. Okay, see, SPM activities, step by step. The main activities of SPM are initiation, define project goals, scope and feasibility. Then planning, create schedules, assign resources and set budgets. Third one is execution, develop software according to the plan and manage teams. Fourth one is monitoring and control, track progress, manage risk and make adjustment. And fifth one is closure, deliver the software, document lessons learned and release resources. So now, SPM versus software engineering. Software engineering focuses on developing quality software using methodologies and best practices. Software project management focuses on managing the software development process effectively to meet deadlines, budget and quality. Okay. See, so remember, software engineering focuses on how to develop quality software, and while SPM focus on how to manage the software development process to meet deadlines, cost and quality goals. Okay. Key points to remember: SPM ensures software projects are planned, controlled, and completed successfully. It deals with time, cost, resources, quality, and risk management. Both SPM and software engineering work together to deliver high quality software. See, SPM helps us plan, control, and complete software projects successfully. Okay, it deals with time, cost, resources, quality, and risk. Proper software project management is essential for any software development. Okay, thank you.